Hi guys, so in today's video we're going to be setting up a waterfall, or you can call it as a paludarium. So let's get started. For this setup we'll be using gravel as the base layer, and for the waterfall structure we'll be using the layer rocks. You can call it as holy rock as well. For the waterfall to function, we'll be using a 4-watt motor. Any submersible motor can be used. And for the piping, we've used wait. How much is this? 7 mm. Yeah, this is a 7 mm Oro pipe. You can use any pipe depending on the motor size. And let's start off with the base layer. So let's start off with the motor placement. So I have decided to place it in this left corner. So after placing the filter, we'll be covering it up with some sponges. So that debris not to go in. Okay, so let's start placing the rocks. We've used a single outlet from the motor. We'll be splitting the pipe into 2 different directions so that the waterfall will be all over the... I'm just making a small cut. Hardscape is complete. Let's move on to the planting. For this setup, we'll be using some terrestrial moss, since this is half water and half land. All these terrestrial plants will step out of the water, and all these anubias will go inside the water. For the background, we'll be using these. You can use any stem plants or any money plant. Just tie them up with a sponge. Place it. So all these plants, only the roots needs to be submerged inside the water. Since the water level is going to be half the tank, make sure the plants are submerged below the water, like these anubias. And we've got some trident fern, can be placed in these cavities. Finally, we'll be covering up the blue sponge and all the edges with this moss. This is flame moss.